Sanibona bafethu. Njani niyaphila? Let's hope niyaphila. Mfowami Khonzo nibingelelayo okay namhla kwi-Sunday. Asibonga kakhulu. Ake ngithathe lithuba ngamukela lonke ama-new subscribers to this channel. Ku-YouTube ngiphinde ngamukela lonke ama-new followers to this channel lapha ku-TikTok. Thank you so much guys for supporting this channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Bese ngicela ke uma ungaka-subscribe na usubscribe siyikhulisa njengoba sibheke ku-10,000 lapha ku-YouTube. Sina 6,000 subscribers njengamanje sibheke ku-10,000. Lapho impela ngiyosho khona ukuthi hayi sesihamba impela sashaya lokho kuthiwa i-milestone. Masingafika ku-10,000 ngicela senze kanjalo bafethu. It's free of charge ukusubscribe. Already TikTok says over 20,000. Njengamanje sibheke ku-21,000 followers. Kuhle kakhulu. Nangapha ka YouTube ngicela nenze kanjalo ngiyabonga. Very brief namhlanje, very brief. Ngizoshaya nje amagqaba ntshintsha. I-March and March ikhiphe statement about 3 hours ago njengoba ngenza le video. 3 hours ago namhlanje kwakuyi-Sunday. Lapho iphawule khona about ama-march enzekile nge-8 June ne-build up towards 8 June. Chaze nje konke ukuthi kuhambe kahle ibonga nabo bonke abantu ababe part of those marches ngoba iziyaveza nokuthi ithola ukuthi ama-march abehlelwe yiyo i-March and March abe around 120 makubalwa in the whole country. Ama-march nje abekhona ezweni lonke futhi onke abe peaceful. Akuzange kube nezigameko ezibonisa ukuphula umthetho and all that kubonke ama-march abehlelwe yibo ezi-March and March. So bayancoma kakhulu nje konke okwenzekile base besho ukuthi umkhankaso awukapheli basazoqhubeka nawo njengokuyinhlelo zabo. Akukho kushintshile. Base bayiveza ke nendaba yi-meeting kaPresident Ramaphosa noPhakela uMthakathi noNgizwe. Azange bakhulume kakhulu ngayo. Into nje abayishilo beyi-March and March bathe abafisi ukuthi bakhulume about ama-details meeting leya uPresident abenawo nalaba esibabalayo ngoba leya meeting it had nothing to do with the March and March. Futhi bakholelwa ukuthi ke whoever ofuna ukumitha noPresident angamitha noPresident. So ngeke baze baqagule ukuthi i-meeting leyana kwakuyodiscusswa nge-organization yabo i-March and March. Therefore ababoni ukuthi abalola abangalibeka eqhulwini kube into abangayidiscussa ngaleya meeting and all that. So yiloko nje abakushilo. Engicabanga ke mina njengomfowami Khonza ukuthi hayi statement esihle lesi ku-March and March. Sihle le statement futhi sibonisa ukuba matured ukuthi bangayihlaziyi leya meeting. I-March and March ngiyincomela ini la kule video, ngiyincomela ukuthi bangayihlaziyi leya meeting. Asikho isidingo sokuthi bayihlaziye ukuthi ngokwabo it was about what. Into abayisho nje la ku statement ukuthi bazwile ngaleya march sorry ngaleya meeting kodwa basibona isidingo sokuthi bakhulume ngayo because ayithinti i-March and March uyayibona. Therefore angeke baze bakhulume izinto ethi abakusho nje ukuthi bazoqhubeka bona bafocus kuma-plans wabo nasemsebenzini nabe bevele bewenza nabe behlele ukwenza. Ngibona ngathi i-statement esihle kabi leso. So yeah ikanjalo but njoba ngike ngasho phambilini ngisenaso isifiso sokubona kune briefing ye-March and March kune briefing kaPhakela noNgizwe behlangene nayo i-March and March lokho esikubiza nge-joint media briefing. Ngisenaso isifiso saloko uma kuwukuthi basazoqhubeka basebenzisane ndawonye. Okuyisifiso sami ukuthi bangayeki ukusebenzisana ndawonye. It's just that kufanele bathathe ayini bathi ukuqondisa izinto ezithile ezibonakala engathi ziyashwabana manje kule ndlela abasebenza ngayo. Baqhubeke nomsebenzi iSouth Africa yabadinga. Yiloko nje ngithi angikuveze namhlanje. Ngizamile ke la uku-attach le statement se-March and March sanamhlanje ungazifundela sona makuwukuthi uyakhona ukuzuma le attachment engiyifake la yisi statement se-March and March sanamhlanje awuzifundele wena bese uyahlaziya ukuthi ungathini i-response yakho kulokho. Mina nje njengomfowabo kaMkhonza eyami i-response ithi this is a statement esimatured, sikhombisa i-maturity futhi ngicabanga ukuthi sihle kakhulu. Angiboni la kunephutha khona mina njengomfowabo kaMkhonza, angazi wena ubuka kanjani. Ngibamba-ke la ilokho nje bafethu. If you haven't subscribed, ngicela usubscribe esikhulise le channel together. Ulokho nje ku-free of charge ukusubscribe, ku-free of charge ukufollow na TikTok. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu bafethu, sihlangane kumavidiyo alandelayo. Thank you so much.